In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by accessing Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, click on this icon of a photo and the paper clip at the bottom right corner. Hit Audio. Click on your file here, or if you can't find it, select one of those apps, or look for it by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, when you find it, click on it to add it. To add a video one, you need to do exactly the same, but this time choose Videos option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!